To get airborne, whatever gets under your cabinets, and that just takes it completely off.
And you said you've been using it for
10-12 years.
10 or 12 years.
Yep, we use it every year.
Yep.
Just to give it a highlight, just to clean it up.
We're here at the Tulsa Home and Garden Show with
Steve?
Steve and
Mike.
Mike.
Hi, Mike. I agree. My cabinets, most of them, I don't know if it's water damage or what, but it looks, you can show them, but it looks more like that faded cabinet, and they come out looking like new. And when you've given up on your cabinets, don't. You have to try this product. I've been using it in my kitchen probably 10 years. And I come by every year and say hi to you, and this is the best product in the whole show.
Yeah.
And this is not like a one-time application. This should last you years. It doesn't take a whole lot. And then you use, is it
Ultrafine.
Ultrafine.
Yes,
Yeah.
these two products, fantastic. Can't tell you enough about how great this product is.
I really appreciate you guys. That's
Okay.
awesome.